Hi, John DeHaven, Sales Manager for Acorn Farms, out here on Knox Lake Farm. And I tell you what, we have some great deals we're running right now, and I wanted to bring to you an extra special crop that we have out here, which is our Thuja Occidentalis Pyramidalis. And we're going to talk a little bit about these. Come on along for the walk. Thuja Occidentalis Pyramidalis is a fast-growing, narrow, pyramidal evergreen conifer that is also known as Pyramidal American Arborvitae or Eastern White Cedar. The soft, fine textured evergreen foliage looks great year-round. 4, 5, 6, yeah. This is just one of the examples of our 7 to 8 foot size that we have right now available here at Acorn Farms. Thuja Occidentalis Pyramidalis is a native of our native Thuja Occidentalis, the northern white cedar. Pyramidal Arborvitae is a tall, skinny conifer perfectly suited for a tall accent plant or screen or hedge. Okay. This is an example of our 8 to 10 foot in the Thuja Occidentalis Pyramidalis that we have available right now at Acorn Farms. Thanks again for joining me today as we're out here at our evergreen farm. Smash that thumbs up button. I tell you what, we have some beautiful looking Thuja Pyramidalis right now. Check them out. And of course, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Have a great day.